Daylight. The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Moore County, Northern Potter County, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists have detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing half-dollar-size hail. This storm was located near Masterson, or about 19 miles south of Dumas, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Masterson, Lake Meredith. Remember, severe thunderstorms can, and occasionally do, produce tornadoes with little or no advance warning. If a tornado is spotted, move to an interior room or close it immediately. To report severe weather, please call the National Weather Service at 806-335-1121. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: in Texas, Moore and Potter.